It's basically the same.
Genuinely think our team is the strongest team.
I think no, I think we're strong. Yeah. Do you think? Do you know?
No, these motherfuckers are still going crazy with the TikTok. Oh hell no. Oh my god.
Fucking dare you to be right here, pussy.
What the fuck? What the fuck?
Sorry.
Bro, what are you doing, bro?
Sneezing?
Business. I know. That's not funny. Oh my god, bro, my sneeze